Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is, today we will start to solve exercise 1.2. Okay. हम exercise 1.2 start करेंगे, in which we will solve the questions about union, A union B, A intersection B, and complements. Okay. First of all, we will start from solving A union B. Can you see the lecture on the screen?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Solution we have to find out the value of A union B. As I told you in last class, when we talk about union, it means we combine the values, we combine the elements of both sets in a single set. Like when you have a given question, find A union B, then first of all arrange the question according to given condition. You will write the value set of A and then set of A and then U and then set of B. Yes. Now second step we will do, find out or write the values of union is equal to, and then we will write A union B, combine both sides value in arrange A comma B.
D,
No,
C.
arrange with, wait a minute, Hurbano and Aisha, please just a second. A, B, write in arrange form, okay? A, B, C, comma D, E, present elements in both set, we write one time. A, B, C, D,
Miss.
E,
Miss.
yes.
B तो है नहीं miss.
Oh,
Yes, miss. B तो नहीं है.
sorry. Done by mistake. E, F, and then
G.
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 A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yes, class, done. This is the method of finding union. Is there any confusion?
No.
Okay. When we talk about intersection means taking common elements from the set. When we say we have to find out the A intersection B. Very easy exercise, there is no need to difficulty. A intersection B. First, write the elements or set values, then make a symbol of intersection. We use a symbol intersection here, and then write the set B. Okay, now tell me which elements are common from the above set. Yes, class. In both set, which members are common, or which set are common, which elements are common? Now tell me. मुझे बताइए. Which elements are common in both sides?
E,
E and
F.
yes. Right answer. E and F. This is how we take the intersection. Intersection means common in both, common element in both sides. Okay. In not necessary that the set consists of only two sets. Set maybe of three. यानी कि set तीन भी हो सकते हैं, more than three भी हो सकते हैं, whatever. So intersection, when we talk about intersection means taking common element from the given sets, and union means arrange the elements in a single set. Okay. Next question we have.
मिस
Yes.
मिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 2 है वो 1 जैसे 1 क्या वैसे होगा ना.
No. It's a union, Hurbano. Question number 1. No. I am telling you step by step. First, we solved a union B, A intersection B.
Okay.
Now I am coming towards question number 2. Okay. Next question we have to find out A complement. It's a B prime, sorry, B complement. Prime, we called it as B complement, okay? Prime means here prime is representing to find out the complement. हम इसको B complement कहेंगे, okay? When we talk about complement formula is equal to, we will subtract the relevant or given set from universal set, okay? Here is the formula of complement. This is formula. You can say that when we talk about the prime, when you see there is prime on any given set, so it means it's a talk asking about complement, and the complement formula we have universal minus the given set or the set B. Okay, so here we will solve your complement question, and B complement we have write the universal set value, and complement always subtracted. In complement always subtract the given set from universal, okay? In complement always given set subtracted from universal set. Yes, class, it's a universal set you have given, and then minus according to given condition, and then write the set of B like this. Okay, now class, what to do in minus case? It's a subtraction case. Okay, what should we do? Any idea? What should be the next step in minus? Okay, I'm telling you, when you have a minus sign between the sets, it's not mean that you will subtract. It means non-common terms will be the answer of complement. Like in simple words, common terms cancelled each other, and the non-common elements are the. Hello. Sorry, class. It's a signal issue. Yes, class. Can you see the lecture on the screen? Lecture नजर आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, miss.
As I told you, non-common terms will be the answer of complement. Like what should be, which are the non-common?
मिस आपकी आवाज बहुत कट रही है.
Yes, miss.
Hello, class. Tell me non-common elements like A, B, C.
मिस A B C E. A B C E.
Only A, B, C.
C E.
E is common, G is common, D is common, F is common.
Yes, miss.
A, B, C is the answer.
Yes.
This is the way by which you can solve the complement. Okay, done.
Yes.
Let's move another question towards the next question. Next question we have A union bracket involve. Okay, A union B complement. Is there any idea how to solve this question? A union B complement. What should we do? Any
No,
idea?
miss.
No, miss.
First of all, we will solve the question like A union B is equal to, because first of all, if we have question like this, then we need to simplify the bracket first, then we solve complement. First of all, we will solve A union B. Okay, A union B, we will for A union B, as we have done in question number 1. So we will use A union B here from here directly. Okay, it's a direct step I am taking, but you will do it step by step. यहाँ पर मैं direct ले रही हूँ because हमने solve कर लिया था. A union B we have solved. This is value of A union B. ये हमने पहले कर ली थी इसलिए मैंने direct ली है. Is there any confusion?
No.
No, miss.
Next step we will do it. Now this is the we have solved the bracket. Okay. Now from outside the bracket we have question A union B complement. A union B complement is equal to whatever be the question you have given, just subtract minus A union B. Is there any confusion, class? U minus
No, miss.
done? यहाँ तक clear है? Okay. Now write the value of
Yes.
universal set which you have given. You have given. Uh, where is the question? Yes. Sorry. Just a second. Wait. Just a minute, class. Actually, my window has stopped. Yes, class. Can you see the lecture on the screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Now, अब हम लोग इसको पेस्ट करेंगे. Okay. पेस्ट करने के लिए we should have a value of u. U की वैल्यू होनी चाहिए हमारे पास, which is Control C and then
अभी तो मेरी क्लास चल रही है ना, तू भी तो ज्वाइन
Control
हुई
V.
थी, तू भी अभी ज्वाइन हुई है.
Why it's not working? Wait.
बेटा तो अब चला लेते.
Class, please, just a second. Yes, class, we are talking about A union B. Okay, write the value or set of universal set. Universal set we have A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D, comma, E, comma, F. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay? It's a universal set.
Miss ये
Yes, Urbano.
miss
Yes.
Okay miss ये मिस मैंने समझ नहीं.
It's a universal set. Universal set minus A union B. A union B, you have A, C, E, F, and G. Okay, class? Now, next, what should be the answer of A union B complement? इसका आंसर क्या होगा? A union B complement. What should be the answer?
Miss B.
Answer we have
B.
all elements. Only B is the answer. A.
Yes D.
Yes.
D.
Yes, miss.
Only answer we have B
C and D. Oh, A, B and D.
B and D. Okay. So this is the answer of A union B complement. Right, class? Is there any confusion? Done?
B or D.
Yes.
No,
Done?
miss.
Okay. Next question. अब हम next question की तरफ move करेंगे. Next question we have A intersection B complement. Yes, class. What should we do for the A intersection B complement? Is there any idea?
मिस आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Hello. I am saying
मिस आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी.
we have question A intersection B complement. First of all, we will find out B complement. B complement find out करेंगे. इसके लिए हम what we have the element B complement, we will write U minus B. हमारे पास यहाँ पे क्या है? U minus B. एलिमेंट्स हमारे पास क्या क्या है B के? E, G, D, F. Okay. E, G, D, F. Okay,
मिस
class.
ये कहाँ लिखा हुआ है U B.
Question you have given A intersection B complement. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अब हमारे पास बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट तो है नहीं, तो पहले हम इसमें से क्या फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं? बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट।
ए। अच्छा बी।
वी हैव गिवन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट हमारे पास नहीं है, and you will write find out the b complement. पहले हम b complement निकाल रहे हैं, a b comma c comma d e and f. A b c d e f. It's a universal set which I am writing, f and g and bracket
मिस
close.
आवाज ही नहीं आ रही, बहुत
Hello?
अटक अटक के आ रही है।
मिस आपकी आवाज बहुत कट रही है।
Actually class there is a signal issue, that's why. Yes class. Yes. We are talking about A intersection B complement. Intersection B and then complement. अब यहाँ पर हमें क्या सॉल्व करना है? पहले B complement सॉल्व करना है, तो इसके लिए हम सॉल्व करेंगे।
मेरी स्क्रीन शो नहीं हो रही।
स्क्रीन शो नहीं हो रही है, अब नजर आ रहा है? Wait. Now, can you see the lecture on the screen?
यस मिस।
It become U minus B. And then, अब आप हमारे now tell me the set of universal set हमारे पास क्या थे क्लास?
मिस स्क्रीन शो नहीं हो रही है।
सबको नजर आ रही है? A
यस मिस।
कॉमा B और बानी आपका थोड़ा इशू है, सही कीजिए, नजर आ जाएगी, डोंट वरी। E F G and A B C D E F G, yes. And then minus sign and okay class, now tell me we have B G D F B comma G comma D comma F. Okay, tell me the B complement class. B complement क्या आएगा हमारे पास?
ए सी ई।
Yes. Oh, just a second. Wait. Now tell me what should be the B complement? A
सी ई।
A C and E.
ई।
Done. A C E only. Okay. Now arrange the question values in given. A complement have been. Okay. Arrange the values according to given condition. A set we have. A हमारे पास क्या है? We took from the question. A question we have where we are. Yes, here we have question A intersection B complement. Yes, ये रहा control V and then oh ये क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया इसमें? Just a second. Yes class.
चलेगा उमा 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 उमा।
Wait please. Now can you see the lecture on the screen class?
यस
Lecture नजर आ रहा है?
यस।
यस।
Okay, let's move toward the next question. A intersection B intersection. यहाँ पर हम A intersection B intersection solve करते हैं, इसको अभी हम बाद में solve करेंगे. For A
मिस
intersection.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Hello. A intersection, B intersection. Class, let's suppose I am taking A intersection. Let's suppose we have set A.
मिस आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Hello, अब आवाज आ रही है? Let's suppose we have set A, F, A, comma C and E. Okay, this is set A and this is set B. B is equal to, let's suppose I am taking another question. A, C and D. And universal set we have, हमारे पास universal set है A, here we have A, comma B and comma C, comma D and comma E. There's a little bit of changing in question. यहाँ पे हम थोड़ा सा चेंज कर रहे हैं. Okay. पहले हमने A complement solve किया. Directly we can solve it. A complement is equal to, yes class, what is the formula of A complement? Complement का formula क्या होता है? U minus A. Okay. ये हमारे पास complement होगा. Now please, in complement we write the non-common element from both sides. U minus A. When you subtract set A from U, then what should be the element we have? Class. Oh, there is a lot of problem we are facing. Okay. A complement, I am telling you, A set we have A, let's suppose C and E, and B set we have A, comma B and comma C. Okay. First save, इसको हम save कर लेते हैं. And now universal set we will have A, B, C, D and E. Okay. When we talk about complement की बात करेंगे तो हम क्या कहेंगे? U minus A. यहाँ पे हम यूनिवर्सल में से A को माइनस करवा रहे हैं. यस क्लास. नाउ टेल मी डायरेक्टली व्हाट शुड बी द आंसर? A complement. What should be the A complement? A complement क्या क्या होगा when you subtract A from universal set? Answer we will have, क्या बचेगा आंसर? A,
B
and B.
B and
B
D only.
D.
बस
Okay.
D D.
In the same
Yes.
way, अब हम जब solve करेंगे, wait a minute, space चाहिए हमें. Yes class. Now okay, save the screen. For B complement का आंसर भी मुझे डायरेक्टली बता दीजिए प्लीज. वी हैव शॉर्ट टाइम, सो दैट्स व्हाई U minus B. Okay, now class tell me, subtract B set from
D and E.
A, B, C cancel.
D and E answer.
What? Which answer?
D and E.
And E is the
E.
answer of B complement. And you will, according to given condition, now arrange the values according to given condition. A complement, intersection, B complement, now is equal to
D
yes,
or
according to first of all arrange the elements A, comma,
B,
and
comma, D,
yes,
and E.
complement sign, and then curly bracket, write the complement set of B. We have yes class. Now class tell me A complement intersection B complement. We have 9 minutes only for this class. Okay class, now tell me the common elements.
A, B.
No,
D,
only D is the answer. Right? Got it?
Yes.
Clear हो गया यहाँ तक सबको?
yes,
Yes.
Okay, what you did, आपने क्या किया था इसके लिए? First you need to take A complement, then B complement. For complements, you will subtract the relevant set from universal set, and then like U minus A, answer non-common elements is the answer of complements in both sides, and take the intersection, and then finally got your answer. Is that clear? Okay. Next question we have.
मिस
Yes.
मिस इसमें पहले है ना यूनियन निकालेंगे फिर वो निकालेंगे इंटरसेक्शन.
No. First of all, we subtract the value from universal set. यूनियन नहीं निकालते, वैल्यूज माइनस करते हैं, सबट्रैक्ट नॉन कॉमन एलिमेंट्स लिखते हैं. ओके ओके हुरबानो. ओके
Yes,
नेक्स्ट
miss.
क्वेश्चन वी हैव. you will take union with universal set and null set. null set का universal set के साथ complement universal union लेना. Let's suppose I have given question universal set. I have 1 and then 2, 3 and comma 4. Right class? It's a universal set, let's suppose. And null set, what does it mean? Null set mean when there is
no
खाली
value.
ब्रैकेट.
empty brackets, okay? When there is no element is given. Null set. And then you will have to find out the union. U and
मिस आवाज कट रही है.
hello, can you hear me? Hello. Right. 1,
Yes, yes.
Yes, miss.
2.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Wait a minute. Let me save this. 1, comma 2, comma 3 and 4. And then class write the union symbol and then null set. Okay, null set you can show it by this also. ये भी इसकी representation होती है. Now tell me the answer. इसका आंसर बता दीजिए kindly मुझे. आंसर क्या होगा? Any idea? इसका आंसर सेम होगा 1, बिकॉज हमने अरेंज करके लिखना होता है ना दोनों सेट्स की वैल्यूज को. अब इसमें तो कॉमन, इसमें तो अरेंजमेंट यही हो,
2, 3.
यूनिवर्सल ही इसका.
Yes.
ओके क्योंकि यहाँ पर बिकॉज आफ्टर यूनियन सेट देयर इज नो सिंबल, नो एलिमेंट इज प्रेजेंट इन दिस सेट, so only universal set elements is the answer of union. ये यूनियन का आंसर है. ओके ओके when we talk about question
Okay,
number
miss.
8, question number 8 में देखिए, you will have to
Miss?
find out complement, sorry intersection.
मिस ये जो क्वेश्चन
yes उर्बानो.
मिस क्वेश्चन 7 में हमने जो 1 2 3 4 लिखा तो अब सपोज किया हमने ये.
It's a given in question. हाँ जी, yes it's a question है, it's a question. okay question values हैं ये हम सपोज करके ले सकते हैं. एंड इन बुक यू हैव गिवन प्रॉपर क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. ओके क्लास, अब नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटरसेक्शन. Let's suppose we have a given universal set like this and we have to take out the intersection with null set. Now class, tell me the answer. In intersection we take common elements from both sets. अब बताइए इसका आंसर क्या होगा? when we talk about intersection? Is there
Miss
any
null.
common element
Miss
in both
empty
sides?
set.
Yes,
Empty
Aisha.
set.
What are you saying?
Empty
Empty
set.
set.
There is no common element in both sets. So answer will be
Empty set.
empty set. Excellent. Or null set. Answer of
Yes,
intersection we have ये होगा.
Yes, miss.
Clear?
null set.
Done?
Null set.
Done class?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Next question we have. अब हम next question की तरफ move करते हैं. We have 4 minutes. Okay. Show that. Class, question number 12. We have question A, B. Okay. Question number 2 consists of if A you have given 1, 2, 3, 4 and B you have given 2, 4, 6, 8. And while using this value, you will have to show that question 17. Question number 17 is a part of question number 2. Okay. अब हम यहाँ पर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड करेंगे 8 डेल्टा बी. दिस ट्राइंगल, द सिंबल ट्राइंगल मींस डेल्टा. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? डेल्टा. टेकिंग हम लोग यहाँ पे लेंगे ये दिस इज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. ओके. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सॉल्व डेल्टा ए डेल्टा बी. For what we do for A delta B, very easy, not a difficult. Write the values of set A, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And delta, and then 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay class. Now what we do in delta, please remember what we do for union, what we do for intersection. Just remember these terms, then you will able to solve the sets. Okay. If you know how to take union, how to take intersection, how to take complements, which involves what we do in which set you will have to take common, you will have to arrange the values, you will have to subtract the values, so you will be able to solve sets easily. अगर आपको ये पता है कि यूनियन में क्या करना है, इंटरसेक्शन में क्या करना है, then you will solve, you will able to study sets. Okay. Now in delta में हम क्या करते हैं? In both set we cancel the common terms. इसमें भी same
मिस आपकी आवाज कट रही है बहुत.
हेलो क्लास, मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि इसके अंदर हम दोनों वैल्यूज को कॉमन सेट्स को हमने कैंसिल कर दिया. नाउ रिमाइंडर
मिस आपकी आवाज कट रही है.
हेलो
मिस आपकी आवाज बहुत कट रही है.
ओके क्लास, लिसन टू मी. 1, 3, 6 and 8.
1, 3, 6.
मिस आवाज नहीं आ रही.
3.
Class, in both sets non-common elements is the answer of delta.
3.
Yes.
6.
1, 3,
8.
6, 8. Right class? Now this is the value of A into A delta B. Now right hand side A.
मिस आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Hello.
Yes,
आवाज
miss.
नहीं आ रही.
A union B. This is the last question of the class. A intersection B. Yes class. Tell me directly A union B. A union B बता दीजिए please मुझे. क्या
A
होगा
union
इसका?
B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 value.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2
3, 4.
and
2, 4. Break it off.
and then
Bracket.
6.
Break it off.
2.
I'm directly solving. Okay. 6 and 8.
Yes. 6
This is
and
the
8.
answer of A union B. Right? Now A complement
Yes.
B. A intersection
Yes.
B.
Yes.
A intersection B बताइए.
A intersection
मिस A
B.
है. 1 2 3
1
4
2 3 4
we had 2 4
Answer we have 2
2
and
4
8
6
3
8
4 6 8 3 4 6 8.
no, it's an intersection. 2 and 4 common elements.
Yes, miss. 2 and
And
4.
then
Yes, miss.
and then now according to given condition put the values in question. Left hand side, right hand side we have. अब हम